Happy birthday to you.
Kuya natanggal. Kuya natanggal. Ba't ako kinakanton? Anong ba?
Bakit? Sino ka ba? Sino ka bang nambabasher?
Bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Pag inaamoy, pag ang sarap-sarap, amoy ng bulaklak.
Hi guys, magpasilag sa iyo birth certificate. Huh? Birth certificate. Birth certificate. Birth certificate. Basta ay birth certificate.
It hits me like an earth.
Kiw. Tukurukuk. Kukru.
Maya, vrees de pleister.
Dugaya. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Name one of the biggest sins.
Johnny Sins.
How many dates have you been on this year?
The only dates I have are due dates.
What do people drink 8 glasses a day?
Coffee.
What do you call it when your mother is a lawyer?
Mother-in-law.
Have you ever been hurt
Yes.
emotionally?
No. Financially.
What's the only exercise you've done this week?
Running out of money.
What's something weird about you?
When someone compliments me, I don't know what to say.
Really? You look cute today.
Merry Christmas.
Would you rather have $5 million or cancer?
Oh. It's a hard one.